All right. So then how can I help you?
Yes. I have I mean, obviously it's a specific question, but if we could run some numbers, and this is recorded right now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm okay with that. But I will need to run the numbers. To be more specific, the realtor said there's another buyer who claims that they could do 5.5% interest, and obviously, well, not obviously because you haven't seen it yet, but in my opinion, it cannot happen. But she wants to
Mhm.
know if any type of interest rate could be applied.
Okay. Give me the numbers. Let's do it.
Okay, cool. So I'll go ahead. Let me go back. I have it pulled up just a second. So the purchase price is 260.
Nice.
Seller finance 238.
Okay.
Down payment 22.
Okay. Rent.
Monthly. Oh, rent. I'm sorry. Let me do it in order. Rent is 1,800.
All right. Taxes and insurance.
1,308, and then 966.
All right. What are we giving them?
I have 800 down, but of course, I just need to see what works if it works. I know that does, but
Oh, you're
five.
talking about the interest?
Yes.
Well,
So
if
they
we
were
did,
told 5.5, which I don't see how.
I mean, that's 1351 as a monthly payment. Yeah, that doesn't work. They're not
Yeah.
going to be able to sell this deal. And so much so that you can take this screenshot right here and say,
Oh,
look,
you
I'm
know
not
what? Wait,
trying
I
to.
forgot. There's HOA of 996, which
Oh,
also would make it worse for them.
so the insurance is 996 and the HOA is 99. Oh, 966.
960. Yeah, I was confused at first too. I was like, no, same numbers. But yeah, there isn't it. Our
Yeah, you
brains.
can literally give the real estate agent say, hey, look, I'm not, I'm not here to smear anyone or anything like that.
Mm-hmm.
If they want to buy this deal, I'm assuming it's seller finance, the other buyer.
Yes.
I mean, if they want to buy this deal to flip it to an investor, an investor's not going to take this deal. It's negative at that. You can literally send them a screenshot. Hey, I put your $1,350 payment in there, which would have been 5.5% interest. This deal's not going to cash flow. They're not going to be able to sell it.
Okay, so my question is, where did that 1351? Is it because I put 800 there initially, or does that pop up
No,
automatically?
it's because you said they wanted 5.5% interest.
Okay, I see where you took that number and put it on the other one on the other
Yeah,
page. Okay.
yeah. Put it right here,
Um,
and then it'll give me the payment, and then I just take the payment and then put it here.
Perfect. Okay, so I see how that works. Is there and can we try any number? Maybe 2%.
Um, 2% would be 879. That's like bottom of the barrel. You can do 2%.
Okay.
Let's see, what's
Yeah, no, because
$1,000?
I'm tired of the bottom of the barrel.
Yeah, it wouldn't work anyway.
Okay.
880 would be the highest you can do.
880, which would technically be just under 3%.
It's 2% interest.
Too. Okay. So for clarification, if
Hmm.
there is ever an interest rate possibility on the table, I plug that number in right there, and then the monthly payment I just copy to the other page. I don't even give them an offer for the monthly payment just yet if there's interest.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, that's simple enough. I believe that is it. So yesterday I did get one of the properties under contract that I've been asking you about 100 times.
Hmm.
So I'm excited about that.
You should be.
However,
It's a
I
good
did
deal.
look at the disposition form,
Okay.
and towards the bottom, you're specifically asking for the like short term, long term. You need all three of those, right? And I
Just
think
the
the other
long
one
term.
said MKT or something like that.
It says MTR, and that's
Okay.
midterm rental. And that's just if you run those numbers. If the deal works as a long term rental, you can just give me the long term rental numbers. That's fine.
Oh, okay, great. And then I have another possible. The realtor says that this property cannot, based on HOA, they've restricted short-term rentals. That's
Hmm.
not going to be a problem, right? Because that leaves LTR on the table.
Yeah, well, as long as long term rentals are okay and the numbers work out, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Then that's all I have today.
Rock and roll. Let me know if you need anything else.
I got you. Thanks, Sean.
You're very welcome. Have a good night.
You too.
See ya.